So you're interested in Matt Parr and his YouTube course. Well, you're in the right place. I bought it and I'm going to review it for you now. Excuse me. I've watched every video. Honestly, this is one of the best courses I've been through. I started working online full-time in 2007 and I put out multiple courses of my own over the years. I wanted to learn how to grow my YouTube channel because I see how powerful it is to have a channel getting tons of views every day. When I want to learn something, I don't waste my time trying to reverse engineer things anymore. I used to do that and it just slowed me down. Now I know that the time is money. And if there's someone who's already ahead of me in a field, I'm going to pay them to teach me how to do what they do. That is what I did with Matt Parr and his YouTube monetization course. He knows what he's doing, has over 9 channels that he runs, and makes a lot of money doing it. The first question is, who is this for? It's for anyone who wants to make money online using YouTube. Matt teaches 2 basic routes that you can take. The first is a faceless channel, where you never have to show your face on the camera. That's pretty cool, right? Then he also teaches you how to make a personal brand channel. That's the reason I bought his course. The second question is, how can you make money online with YouTube? Well, you have a few options. The first one that everyone seems to want is to be paid by YouTube when ads are run on your channel. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to get to this point. Honestly though, this is the slow way to make money with YouTube. The second route is better. It's to get companies to sponsor your channel. You mention them, they pay you. Not a bad way, but not the best way either. The third route is to sell products as an affiliate on your channel. This is a solid route, but I'm not really talking about Amazon products. I'm talking more about selling higher ticket products where you can earn more than a few pennies for each sale. Finally, I saved the best for last. This is the reason I bought Matt Parr's course. You can sell your own course on your own channel and make the most money possible. I'm in the print-on-demand world where I teach people how to make money online selling print-on-demand products. I have a coaching program for this and I put out courses on this topic. I wanted to get YouTube up and running properly to scale my course and coaching sales for my business. At this point, you might be asking, okay, will this work for you? The answer is yes. This course from Matt Parr is one of the best I've found, bar none. If you want to make money online with either a personal brand YouTube channel or a faceless YouTube channel, then you need to get this course now. All right, enough fluff for me. Let's go to the course dashboard and I'll show you exactly what you're getting with the course. All right, so here we are inside the course dashboard. You get access to this once you purchase the course. Just going back a bit here. Right now, when you purchase, you actually get access to this Tube Mastery Monetization 2.0, as well as the old one, version 1. Then you get Tube FAQ, Tube Secrets, Tube Channel Case Studies, and vidIQ Mastery. So this is the big boy. This is the one that you're after. This is really good. So he's got, how many are there? 74 lessons in here. He's got a welcome video. There's a private mastermind group as well. And then how to use the course, which is very good. Then he goes into an overview of the entire program, as well as case studies, which I actually watched that video a couple times. It was really good. Then a step-by-step checklist, which I really liked, as well as there's a lot of YouTube is choosing a niche. So there are higher CPM niches and lower CPM niches. He goes through all this. For example, gaming would be like a low CPM niche where you're not going to make as much money with YouTube ads, but you're still going to make a lot of money because there's a lot of volume, versus like the finance niche where a lot of advertisers will pay a lot of money to put their ads on videos that have like finance topics. So there's that. Ways to go about YouTube, best high CPM niches. I watched that one a couple times. His favorite niches as well. And then a list of profitable ones, plus things to avoid, which I think is key because he can tell you what to do, but when he tells you like what not to do because he knows, that's a good thing too. And then there's a little part on doing market research. All these videos are very easy to view. It's him on camera, and then he's if there's a slide, he'll be in like the bottom right of it. They're very well done. I mean, the guy makes money on YouTube for a living, so of course he knows how to shoot some videos. Then the next section is setting up your channel for success. So there's an overview. So he always does an overview of everything first, which I really like because it tells you what's in the section. And then creating the account, optimization settings, your logo and channel art, preventing your channel from getting hacked, the 33 rule, which is pretty much, I would have paid the price of the course just for this one video. Honestly, it is wicked, just so wicked. The best YouTube tool ever made. Not going to spoil it, but you might know what it is. And then his secret keyword process. So video, like if I had to rank them, this would be 1, this would be 2. Okay, you could just use these 2 if you had any kind of background in YouTube, and you'd be like, I owe you money. Like, it's that good. Implementing it, he shows you. Planning your content, which is important. And then he gets into generating videos. So he'll talk, again, the overview, anatomy of a viral video, because he's had several of them, how to systematize your videos, writing scripts, recording voiceovers. This is for like the faceless channel route, and then where to find content for niche channels as well. Then he gets into free video editors, his favorite one, and then how to make high CTR thumbnails, which is important. And then this video, generating a video from start to finish, is like, I think it's 2 hours and 20 minutes long. Here, just let me see. 2 hours and 27 minutes long, and it is literally him going through the entire process, step by step, in what he teaches in the videos. It's amazing. Like, to see a guy who's making that much money on YouTube do that is pretty cool. So let's go back here. Scroll down a bit. Yeah, generating. That video is like ranked number 3. It could be number 1 though, because everything's in it. And then uploading. So he teaches you all about like uploading and optimizing, and then the initial optimization, and then optimizing it, and then scheduling and publishing, and then making a content calendar, because you can't just put up like 10 videos and quit. You got to do a bunch of these. And then how to grow. So how to grow your YouTube channel, very important video. Understanding YouTube analytics and the algorithm, how to truly go viral, best time of day to upload. That's a question that gets asked a lot with YouTube. Another great tool to optimize your channel. Thumbnail split test, mistakes to avoid, again, which is just really powerful. This one is Google Cloud Vision for thumbnails. I didn't even think of that. And then his advanced card strategy is something I never thought of, but it is genius. The way that he uses cards and the way that he uses data to know everything. Well, I don't want to give it away, but holy cow, that's a really good video there too. And then we get into like monetization. So he talks about all the ways of making money on YouTube, making money with the ads. So that, like, me personally, I think making money with the ads is the slowest way to do it, because you need that 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours in order to get there. But there are a lot of other, like, way more profitable ways to make money with YouTube. Although it is nice to have that income coming in, you don't need to rely on just that. He gives you a whole bunch of different options in there. And then how to increase your CPM, which is kind of like RPM, revenue per milli. It's just an indicator of how much you're going to get paid on your channel. Then he talks about affiliate marketing on YouTube. You could create channels and just do affiliate marketing and make a really good living. And then selling digital products. That's what I like. That's kind of my wheelhouse. That's why I bought the course, is because I wanted to figure out how the heck am I going to use YouTube to sell more of my courses and more of my coaching programs. And he covers it all. He knocks it out of the park with that one, as well as selling merch. There are companies like Teespring and Spreadshop that he goes over. Merch is merch. I mean, it's every single time I've looked at a video on YouTube, even all the big channels, they're like, yeah, I tried merch and I made peanuts. But I think if people did merch like more on the print on demand side, and you got some training from, I don't know, me, they might make more money with their YouTube channel. And then managing YouTube channels and selling content creation. And then this section blew my mind, scaling and outsourcing. So he teaches you exactly how to outsource every aspect of your channel, so that you could literally just come up with an idea and you could hire a team who will do all the steps. And then at the end, like you input the idea, and then they spit out a video for you to like approve, basically do quality control on. It's amazing. So he goes over everything, where to hire people, hiring one person to do it all, or using like a video creation assembly line. So you got 2 options there. Each has its benefits and its downsides. How to outsource thumbnail creation. How much should you pay? Like, man, if you're ever wondering, okay, I want to hire a team, I don't know what I should pay them. Well, he does, and he tells you exactly how to manage your team. Like, just amazing. Outsourcing considerations. That a lot of stuff he said in there I didn't even think of. and then multiplying revenue with translation. So he talks about if you have an English channel, get it translated, and he teaches you exactly how to do that. It's just freaking amazing. Now, he's got bonuses as well. So a list of all the software and tools. Personal brand secrets. I love this video. I got a lot from this because I have a personal brand channel, and I'm creating faceless channels as well. I'm not just stopping at one channel. Why would I do that? And then doing this from the phone. I didn't really use this because I'm old school. I do everything on my desktop. But if you wanted to do it from the phone, you could. Then he talks about business and taxes, of course, too, and then your certificate. So all in all, this is like I bought a lot of courses. I've put out a lot of courses, and I can tell you that you won't go wrong with this. He even had. I'm going to go here to his channel if I can find it. Let me go to YouTube. His channel is Make Money. Here's his channel, Make Money Matt. And he put something on haters, and I'll show you what I said. So there are some people out there that probably can't find it now. Just one second. I'm going to pause the video while I find it. Here it is. It's Matt Parr responds to scam allegations. Make Money Matt exposed. So I'm going to go to this, and I'll tell you that this video made me buy the course. In this video, he put this out way back in February 24th of 2021. And he's talking all about some people online will try to chop people down in order to get views on YouTube. And that's what a lot of people do with him. I don't know why. I don't get it. Like, if you can tell that people have never bought his course or gone through any of his training if they're saying this, because I'm a veteran online. Like, not a veteran of war, but a veteran of online marketing. Been working full-time online since 2007, and I know what I'm doing, and I can spot a scammer from a mile away, and this guy is not one. So this video, I watched it, and I was like, oh man, people are jerks, basically. That's the whole thing. So he said, my name is Matt Parr. We're on a channel called Make Money Matt. I just went through every single video, article, and social media post claiming to expose me and that I was a scam. There's so much misinformation out there in this video. I'm going to be going over each allegation one by one and prove to you not only are they wrong, but I'm going to be backing it up with proof of just how incredibly wrong they are. I want you to have the full truth, so that's what we're going to do in this video. So I love this video. This was basically my favorite video of his on his channel, and I even posted in here too. I said, well, my friend, this was 8 days ago. So I just bought his course, and I'm implementing it, and it's already working, and I'm already like a fan. So this is my channel, right? You can go there if you want. See it right here. Maybe you should go there. You probably came from there. That's where you'll find it. But anyway, I said, well, my friend, I'm buying your course now because of this video. All the points you made are from morons who complain online. Good job in shooting this. I don't think you're a scam, and haters are going to hate. That's what they do. It seems people are making the videos hating are just trying to grab views. When anyone else calls someone else a scam, people eat it up. The world is full of negative assholes. Don't give them a second thought. Although this video made me buy your course, so maybe do pay attention. There you go. Now I got to bleep out that. Great. Anyway, he responded to, thanks for the kind words, Will. Really means a lot. I'm always available in the private community with any questions you have along the way of this journey. I'll always be happy to help. And this is true too. There is a Facebook group. It's a private one. And the guy goes in there every day and answers every question. So you get not only this monster of a course that is the best to monetization, mastery, whatever you want to call it. It's the best one out there. And he's got a lot of competition, and this is the best. And then he's got the private Facebook group where he does actually go in every day and he responds to questions. So it's not like you buy a course and then the guy disappears and you never hear from him again. That's not how it works. And I think that's why I like this guy. And I know he's a lot younger than me, but that doesn't matter. I think we have the same style in that you provide a ton of value and then you support people. And that's how you make a good reputation for yourself. So if you ever see anybody saying, oh, this guy, he's lying, he doesn't really have 9 channels and he doesn't really make any money, they're 100% wrong. I've been researching a whole bunch of different YouTube gurus, and this guy, from what I've seen, is tops. So at the end of the day, I mean, you came looking for a review of Matt Parr's 2 mastery monetization course, and I'm here to say you should buy it. And in fact, I got a link in the description there if you want to use my affiliate link for it, because I am an affiliate, so I'll tell you that right away. Go for it. If you don't, just go find him directly. Go through his channel and find it. And either way, it makes no difference to you. You'll pay the same amount. But I didn't just put this together to make money. I put it together because when I find somebody that I actually like, and when I got so much value, and I would have paid 4 or 5 times more. And actually, he should increase the price of this by a lot because it's worth a lot more. I've got into programs that cost, I don't know, 10 times what this does. And the coach disappeared. And then the coach launched a new program under a different name and screwed over everybody. And then he just, like, you guys, if you're in the online coaching world, you know there's some coaches who coach coaches and they get their team to do everything. That's not Matt. That's not his style. And that's what I really like about the guy. So anyway, I highly recommend it. Click the link in the description to get your copy now. You will not regret it. And I think he even has like a refund policy if you want it, but you're not going to need it, to be honest. If you think you know everything about YouTube and mastering and monetization, you don't. I challenge you to find something that, at least one golden nugget that you're not going to take away from this course that will pay for the course and more. So I know I'm already like beyond pumped to get my channel up to, 100,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers, using all the training that I've gotten from this guy. So highly recommend it. Go for it. Use my link. It'll take you to I think it'll take you to the actual training, and then you can watch like some training from him. Then at the end, he'll make an offer for the course, and it's a very, very good course. Anyway, go ahead, do that, and we'll see you soon. Have a great day.